If your edits don't have a loading bar, you are missing out one of the easiest way to make your video looks clean, professional and satisfying to watch. On this video I'm gonna show you two versions, one a bit more advanced with two colors and the other one a pretty basic one, but really quick and easy to do. First of all, we go on text, default text, and then we put it down. So I'm gonna stretch the text for all the length that I need for my ad. In this case, I'm gonna change the text and I'm gonna put underscore, the full length of the screen. Then you can make it bigger, smaller, based on how you want and where you want it on your screen. So for me, I'm happy to put it underneath, like the classic ads that you can see online. So you can see how long time is the ad. Then you can change the size, you can change the position of where it is. So I'm gonna put it perfectly in line, and then I'm going to copy. So I'm gonna do the second layer on top and I'm going to change a color. I like to pick something blue, so give a bit of a contrast with the white, which will be our underneath level, our underneath bar. Then I'm gonna create a compound clip because I want to move that blue bar. Once I created a compound clip, I'm gonna click on video, mask, and I'm gonna add a mask. In this case, we had a split mask, but not horizontally. I'm gonna turn it vertically, as you can see, like this. So if you already understand, we will move the blue bar from the left to the right. I'm gonna check if the position is all good, and once it's done, I'm just gonna slide it to the front once I am at the beginning. And then now I'm gonna go at the end of my video, I'm gonna slide it on the opposite way. So completed full blue, and at the start is going to be white. I'm gonna play, and you can see so quick and so smooth. Now the bar is actually moving. So you have an idea of when the art is going to be finished in this case. So it's pretty simple. If you want just the regular bar, so just the blue bar, is so easy. You can just remove visibility from the white and you'll have only the blue bar. So only the bar on top. Pretty simple even in this case. Loading bars seems like a small thing, but actually makes a lot of difference from a video that look amateurish to a video that look really professional. Try both and see which one looks better for you. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, leave a comment down below, and I wait you here for the next video.